Welcome to the IMRAN Academy. I am discussing with you General Math of 10th class, Punjab Textbook Board Lahore, and today we are starting our chapter number 3, exercise 3.1. The name of the chapter is Unit 3, Algebraic Manipulations. The first topic is HCF and LCM. Let's start the chapter right away. Okay, this is the exercise for us. Let's do the exercise. Three point one. Find HCF by factorization. Question number 1. ABXY A square BC. ABXY. The factors are A, B, X and Y. Similarly, A square BC, the factors are A into B into C. Here we want to just take the common factors. Which are the common factors? For example, A is here and 1A is also here. So A is a common factor. Similarly, B is also a common factor. So these are the two common factors. So we can write HCF as A is a common factor and B is a common factor. So this is the answer to the problem. See by yourself and try to convince yourself that this is true. Next question. Question number 2. Six PQR 15 QRS. Again we want to make factors. 6 PQR. The factors of 6 are 2 3s are 6. So these are the factors of 6 PQR. Similarly, 15 QRS. 15 3 5s are 15 or 5 3s are 15. Then we have Q, then we have R, then we have S. So we want to just take the common factors. I shall take 3 as a common factor. Then I can take Q as a common factor. Then I can take R as a common factor. So these 3 are the common factors. So HCF is 3QR. Now this is the answer. Let's go to the next page. Next question is question number 3, and we are discussing HCF by factorization. Okay, now you can see that 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So let's do the question. 4 2s are 8. We have x, we have y raised to power 2, and we have z raised to power 3. Then we have 12x square y square z square. Yes, so 12, 4 3s are 12, and then x raised to power 2, y raised to power 2, z raised to power 2. Here 4 can be taken as a common factor. One thing, 4. Then we have x as well. Here x has no power, it means it has raised to power, it is raised to power 1. So always we will take always the smallest power as a common factor. So here x is raised to power 2, and here x is raised to power 1. Which one is the smallest? This one. So we will take x raised to power 1 as a common factor. Similarly, y square and y square both are equal, so y square can be taken as a common factor. Here z raised to power 3 and z raised to power 2, so I will take z raised to power 2 as a common factor. So this is the answer to my question. Question number 4. 14a square bc, 21ab square. Fourteen can be written as 2 7s are 14. Then we have a raised to power 2, b and c. 21ab square. 3 7s are 21. Then I have a and b raised to power 2. So here we can see that 7 is a common factor here. One thing, 7 is common. Then here a raised to power 2 and here a raised to power 1. So a raised to power 1 is a common factor. Here b raised to power 1 and b raised to power 2. So b raised to power 1 can be taken as a common factor. Always take the smallest power and it will be the common factor. Always take the smallest power which is common in both. So c is here but not in the second term, so c cannot be included as a common factor. This is the answer to the problem. Question number 5. Three x raised to power 5, y raised to power 2, 12x raised to power 2 y raised to power 4, 15x raised to power 3 y raised to power 2. Here again 3, 12 and 15 are the factors of 3. So 3 4s are 12, x raised to power 2 y raised to power 4. Then I have 15 x raised to power 3 y raised to power 2, which is equal to 3 5s are 15, and x raised to power 3 and y raised to power 2. Again I want to just find the HCF. So the HCF is the common factors. Here you can see 3 is common, so 3 can be taken as a common factor. Then the smallest power of x, here x raised to power 5, here x is raised to power 2, then x is raised to power 3. So x raised to power 2 is smallest, it will be taken as a common factor. Y raised to power 2, 4 and 2, so y raised to power 2 is a common factor. So this is the answer to the problem. Let's move to the next page. Question number 6. Four ABC cube, 8A cube BC, 6AB cube C. Here again just we want to take the common factor. Now 4, 8 and 6 are the multiples of 2, so 2 can be taken as a common factor. 2 2s are 4, A, B, then C raised to power 3, and similarly 8 A cubed BC, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So these are the factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Six A B cube C, 2 3s are 6, then we have A, then we B raised to power 3 and C. Now HCF is the common factor. Which is the common factor here? So 2 is a common factor. 2 is a common factor. A raised to power 1, 1 and 3. The smallest power can be taken as a common factor. B raised to power 1, 1 and 3. So B raised to power 1 is a common factor. C raised to power 3, 1 and 1. So C raised to power 1 is a common factor. So this is the answer to the problem. Next question. Next question that I have is question number 7. Question number 7. Now the questions are a bit different. X raised to power 3 plus 64 and x square minus 16. Now we will just apply the formula here. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B a square minus ab plus b square. So this is the first formula. Similarly, a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. So these are the two formulas that I shall apply here. For example, x cube plus 64, I can write it as 4 cube. So x plus 4, x square minus x into 4 plus 4 square. It becomes x square plus 4x plus 16. And the other thing that I have is x square minus 16, which can be written as x raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power 2, which can be written as x plus 4 into x minus 4. So which is common in these two? X plus 4 is common, so this is the HCF, x plus 4. And the question is over. Let's solve the other question, number 8. Question number 8. X square minus y square, x raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 4, x raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 6. By the way, this is the last of the questions that I want to solve for today's lecture. X square minus y square can be written as x plus y into x minus y. Similarly, x raised to power 4 minus y raised to power 4 can be written as x square squared, x raised to power 2 raised to power 2, which can be written as x square plus y square and x square minus y square. So it is x square plus y square and x plus y into x minus y. Next I have x raised to power 6 minus y raised to power 6. It can be written as, now I can apply the formula like this, and applying the cubic formula here. On this as well. So what is common here? X plus y and x minus y, x plus y and x minus y, x plus y and x minus y. So HCF that I see is x plus y into x minus y, which can be written as x square minus y square. So this is the highest common factor. Today I have completed 8 questions of this exercise, and inshallah in the next lecture I have another 7 questions to go to complete the exercise. Thanks for watching. These are the questions that are still to go. If you can see, these are the remaining questions. For example, question number 9, then I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Inshallah, I'll discuss these questions in the next lecture. And till the next lecture, आपसे इजाज़त लेते हैं. Thanks for watching. And please do like, share and subscribe the IMRAN Academy if you are a new viewer to this channel. Thanks for watching. Till the next lecture, it's goodbye.